Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that market is still trading inside the range only. Gold is trading in a tight range for last couple of days, and things have not changed at all. So, my dear friends, the levels that we discussed yesterday on Saturday are still very much present because we can clearly see the market is trading inside the range only. If you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold steady markets await US CPI. So market is mostly waiting for CPI. And as we all know, before a major event like NAP, CPI, market prefers to stay sideways. And this is too much of a sideways market, but we cannot help it. Okay, this is the current situation. So if you're a position trader, swing trader, then obviously this is not the ideal situation. And if you're a day trader and looking for reliable opportunities, then also this is not the right market to trade. Okay, because already market has tested the support of 2650 many times. We can clearly see market has tested the support at least 8 to 9 times. So this level is very fragile right now. Too much liquidity is there, so there's a high chance of some SL hunting around this area. So personally, obviously, I'm not going to buy at all around 2640, 2637 area. If market comes around 2627, 2625 that we discussed yesterday also, yes, we can look for a buy position because of previous support, or we can look for buy around 26172 14 area, this particular area, because of FIBO. So these are the only levels where we can look for a reliable trading opportunity if market takes support. During the US session also today, we don't have any news, so we can expect the ongoing market sentiment to dominate the current market. Okay, so we can expect that market will remain like this only. If market comes around to our level and market bounces, yes, we can look for a bounce. But in this situation, taking a position, buy, sell doesn't matter, is very risky. Because in sideways market, the best trading strategy is buy at support, sell at resistance. Many traders fail to keep patience, so they lose money. But in this situation, market has already tested the support many times. So taking a buy at support is also very dangerous right now. So let's wait and watch. And if market goes up, okay, then obviously we can look for a sell around 2665 to 2670 area, this particular zone here. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. And before CPI, I don't think so there is a chance of market breaking 2700 and going higher. So if market reverses, if market struggles around this area, as a day trader, definitely we can look for some sell position. Okay, and if there is a sudden surprise in the, not sudden surprise, okay, surprise in the market, okay, there is a sudden volatility volume in the market, and if we see market going above this level, then wait for at least 1 hour and see how is the market behaving. If you see the market is trading comfortably above 2670 for 1 to 2 hours, then only go for a buy. Otherwise, just avoid, because there is a possibility of a false breakout as well. And nothing else because we can see that hardly, okay, market is moving much. And as a day trader, okay, if you want to scalp for a sell position around this particular area here, like 2655, 2657, you can look for a sell. But personally, I will not suggest to the beginners, okay, those who do not have much scalping skills, or those who do not have proper risk management. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, and if you fail to find any proper trading opportunity, then just skip it, because as you can already see on the thumbnail that the market is slipping. So my dear friend, we need to be flexible. We need to understand when to trade and when not to trade. Okay, trading is a marathon, not a sprint, do not forget. And CPI is coming on Thursday, so till Thursday we can expect, okay, this to be the range. And we can actually, yesterday we discussed about market forming a lower high here, but again market broke this high. So again market is forming lower high, so let's not talk about it. After all, see, market sentiment is above all. Market sentiment is sideways, market is slipping, so we can expect that if market goes down also, okay, our support levels will work. but we cannot trade blindly. If market takes support, then only hit the buy button. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Sorry, nothing to discuss because we are traders, not gamblers. We need to respect the market. Bye.